How's it going? I'm Sean from Gearhead. Today I'm going to show you how to change your spark plug, and the machine that I'm going to be using today is a 2008 800 Dragon. So when it comes to changing the spark plugs, it's pretty simple. First of all, you need to grab your tool. This specific one was right here. You just pull off the cap, use your little spark plug tool, put it on, just loosen it, twist it out. If you've been out riding, it's going to be hot, so you got to be careful. You just pull out your old spark plug. As you can tell, this one's pretty used compared to a newer one, which is nice and clean. Put the new one in, twist it down, finger tight, and tighten it a little bit. When it comes to tighten it, you don't want to tighten it so you can't get it undone, but you don't want it to come undone itself. So get it pretty snug, but not over tight. Put the cap back on, put your tools back,